What's up, guys? Today's new video is going to be something a little bit smaller. Got a package right here. It has an antenna and some logo letterings. So where the Mustang is going to be a little kind of a carbon fiber kind of design on it. It's a little windy outside, but so sorry if you can't hear me that well. But it's going to be dark. It's going to fill in the letters. It's going to probably look really nice. And then a shorter 8-inch antenna. If it's in the box, maybe. Because this one is just way too long. So, I don't know, that one looks like 3 feet. So, it'll look way nicer without that big old antenna in the front. It's like old school. So I'm going to open this box and I'll show you guys. Alright, just cut the box open. Put that right there. Alright. So what we got here, yeah, see, small 8-inch antenna. Should be really easy to install. And then here's the Mustang's carbon fiber vinyls. Hopefully this looks really nice. Yeah, the little insert things. So this one compared to the other one should be really nice. I'm gonna put this on here because I want it to blow away in the wind. So look at the difference. It's gonna look way better. Let me take this out of its package. So there you go. Oh, it's metal. Alright. Let me put this in the little gutter right here so it doesn't blow away. Alright, so I got these because I know that this is like a little bolt pattern, but this one should just be screwing in just as well like that. So let's take that off and then let me see if I can get this one on. Alright, so we were able to get that on. It's pretty good. It's really short now. And then next we're going to get these vinyl stickers on the back bumper. Fake carbon fiber, but still looks cool, so that'll be alright. And then we'll be good to go. So yeah, kind of scratch this up a little bit. See right there with the pliers, but just paint that in with some spray paint or a black marker. It'll look fine, but compared to that big old one, it's pretty nice. Alright, so we're gonna turn the car around, then I'm gonna put those stickers on, show you guys how to clean it and everything, and yeah. Alright, so we got the car turned around. Here's the logo that we're gonna be putting the stickers in, and here's the stickers, kind of a carbon fiber design. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna have 2 clean towels, like a first to dry it, and then like a second kind of to wipe off the dust. Or the opposite way, I'm sorry. One to wipe off the dust in the beginning, and then I got some Windex. Spray that on there, and then wipe it down, and it should be clean enough for you to put your stickers on. I'm gonna start spraying it, and then this is gonna be the one to dry it. So kind of make sure you get the edges in there. It's not a big deal, but you still want it clean so the adhesive sticks to it. So this is gonna be cleaned out real nice. So that should be good. And then we're gonna get this installed. So just make sure you're not putting it like the U on the S. I don't know why you would do that, but you know, there's some of those people. Alright, so I'm gonna open this pack and then we'll get the first M on, and then I'll show you guys. Alright, so quick note, these are kind of like actually have a thickness to them, and they're really shiny, so they look really nice. I didn't expect them to be that good, but I guess they are. Yeah, so let me put that M on there. So it's gonna be sitting right there. See the Mustang, so it's gonna be black all along the whole thing. Alright, so I'm gonna put the M on and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got those installed. So they're looking really nice. What I did was I got the Windex, I sprayed it and cleaned it before I put anything on it, and then I dried it before I did that, I just cleaned the dust off. Then I used a Windex and cleaned it with a second towel just to make sure I got it extra good. And then I started slowly, because you got to be really slow with these kind of things. And I try to get it within these little bevels right here, because if not, then it's just gonna, the water's gonna go down and behind the sticker, and it's just gonna fall off. So I was having trouble with that S because it's just a little weird strand, looks like a stream of sticker. So that one was kind of a hard part of getting it on. The T was super easy, and then the rest of it just went and flowed wildly. So the carbon fiber looks really, really nice, super shiny. If you look up close. So that's it. Next, the back bumper pop, and then so we got that done, and then got the new antenna install 8 inches. See, so it's sitting a little high, but that's all right. It's just a little piece of the old antenna broke off in there, but this is still screwed in really good. I've been shaking it, so. And those little scratch pieces I painted with, or I was gonna spray paint, but it's too windy, way too windy out here. So I just ended up painting it in with some black permanent marker. So we got that. Looks really nice. Actually looks super nice compared to the old long antenna. Got that put in. And then we got the new Mustang emblems, carbon fiber ones. So I think all the car needs is exhaust and rims, but I don't know if I told you guys this, but I'm probably selling this. Today's let's see, today's Friday, so probably tomorrow gonna try to get $3,000 for this car, so that I can upgrade and get a newer Mustang, maybe a GT, maybe not, depends. But this thing's worked really well. I've only had it for like a month and a half now, probably 2 months, but it's a really nice car. I love it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The car looks super clean. I think it's worth $3,000. You see other people with like 150,000 mile cars just like this, same condition, if not worse, and they're selling it for $3,000. So I think, what do you guys think? I think it's good. Nothing really wrong with it. It's super nice. But if anybody's watching and they want to buy it, just let me know. So until next video, guys, may or may not have this car, my first car, and if I do, then we're just gonna upgrade, put some rims on this bad boy, and then put an exhaust. It only has one exhaust. Might go dual, or it might not. I don't know yet. But these are just some small things that I wanted to do before anything major, or before I sold it. So again, got the tiny little antenna. I don't really use that because I got an aux in here. So I get an aux right here. It's just hidden. That'll connect to your phone. It smells really good in here because I got this one from AutoZone. Fresh. Yeah, so that makes it smell really good in here. But cleaned everything up for the new owner if he does decide to buy it, or I got 2 guys coming. And if not, then try again. Or if I change my mind or something like that, then yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens within the next week or 2 weeks. But it's really nice, super shiny. Thank you guys for watching. Alright, until next video next week. Catch you guys later. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.